Here's how to add a bank account in the Bybit app. So first just go and open up the Bybit app, and then what you want to go and do is click on deposit. From here, simply click on deposit euro or US dollar if you use the dollar, or whichever currency you use, just go and click on deposit. Now you can then use this for P2P or to just buy crypto, whatever you would like to do with it. But here you need to select for the payment method one that allows you to pay with a bank. So I have IDU right here and a SEPA transfer. Now for me, both of these are with banks. So for example, I'll say 10 euros with IDU. Then once I click continue, I can select my bank, and then I can actually go and use that bank to pay for it. And then that bank will be connected to my Bybit account. So now when I would like to withdraw money as well, I can go to my assets in the bottom right, then here click withdraw, select fiat. Then here I can choose how much I would like to do, and then here for the payment method I have a SEPA transfer where they will then enter my bank account details automatically. So now you know how to add a bank account in the Bybit app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.